Today, we are going to discuss the Cambridge Reading Passage, Motivational Factors in the Hospitality Industry. First 27 to 31 questions are to match the statements with name of researchers. First statement is, hotel managers need to know what would encourage good staff to remain. होटल प्रबंधकों को ये जानना चाहिए कि अच्छे कर्मचारियों को बनाए रखने के लिए क्या प्रोत्साहित कर सकता है. Let's see in the paragraph. It is therefore essential for hotel management to develop HRM practices that enable them to inspire and retain competent employees. This requires an understanding of what motivates employees at different levels of management and different stages of their careers. Enns and Sigar 2000. So its answer is Enns and Sigar. Next statement is, the actions of managers may make staff feel they shouldn't move to a different employer. मैनेजर के कार्यों से एम्प्लॉइज को ऐसा महसूस हो सकता है कि उन्हें किसी दूसरे एम्प्लॉयर के पास नहीं जाना चाहिए. Let's see in the paragraph. NG and Sorensen 2008 demonstrated that when managers provide recognition to employees, motivate employees to work together, and remove obstacles preventing effective performance, employees feel more obligated to stay with the company. So its answer is NG and Sorensen. Next statement is, little is done in the hospitality industry to help workers improve their skills. Hospitality industry में कर्मचारियों को अपनी skills में सुधार करने में मदद करने के लिए बहुत कम किया जाता है. Let's see in the paragraph. Despite this recognition of the importance of employee development, the hospitality industry has historically been dominated by underdeveloped HR practices. Lucas 2002. So its answer is Lucas. Next statement is, staff are less likely to change jobs if cooperation is encouraged. यदि cooperation को encourage किया जाए, तो employees की job बदलने की संभावना कम होती है. Let's see in the paragraph. NG and Sorensen 2008 demonstrated that when managers provide recognition to employees, motivate employees to work together and remove obstacles preventing effective performance, employees feel more obligated to stay with the company. So its answer is NG and Sorensen. Next statement is, dissatisfaction with pay is not the only reason why hospitality workers change jobs. सैलरी से डिसैटिस्फैक्शन ही वह एकमात्र कारण नहीं है जिसके कारण हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री के कर्मचारी नौकरी बदलते हैं. Let's see in the paragraph. Among the many cited reasons are low compensation, inadequate benefits, poor working conditions and compromised employee morale and attitudes. Marodas et al. 2008. So its answer is Marodas et al. Next 32 to 35 questions are yes, no and not given. First question is, one reason for high staff turnover in the hospitality industry is poor morale. Hospitality industry में उच्च कर्मचारी परिवर्तन का एक कारण कम मनोबल है. Let's see in the paragraph. Among the many cited reasons are low compensation, inadequate benefits, poor working conditions and compromised employee morale. So its answer is yes. Next question is, research has shown that staff have a tendency to dislike their workplace. रिसर्च से पता चला है कि एम्प्लॉइज में अपने कार्यस्थल को नापसंद करने की प्रवृत्ति होती है. Let's see in the paragraph. While it seems likely that employees' reactions to their job characteristics could be affected by a predisposition to view their work environment negatively, no evidence exists to support this hypothesis. So its answer is no. Next question is, an improvement in working conditions and job security makes staff satisfied with their jobs. Job conditions और नौकरी की सुरक्षा में सुधार कर्मचारियों को अपनी नौकरी से संतुष्ट बनाता है. Let's see in the paragraph. These include working conditions and job security. When these factors are unfavorable, job dissatisfaction may result. Significantly, though, just fulfilling these needs does not result in satisfaction, but only in the reduction of dissatisfaction. So its answer is no. Next statement is not given. Next 36 to 40 questions are to complete the summary. It is about fun at work. First question is, Tews, Michel and Stafford carried out research on staff in an American chain of something. Tews, Michael और Stafford ने किसी अमेरिकी चेन के कर्मचारियों पर शोध किया. Let's see in the paragraph. Tews, Michel and Stafford conducted a study focusing on staff from a chain of themed restaurants. So its answer is restaurants. Next question is, they discovered that activities designed for staff to have fun improved their something. उन्होंने पाया कि कर्मचारियों के मनोरंजन के लिए बनाई गई गतिविधियों से उनकी किसी चीज में सुधार हुआ. Let's see in the paragraph. It was found that fun activities had a favorable impact on performance. So its answer is performance. Next question is, and that management involvement led to lower staff something. और मैनेजमेंट के इन्वॉल्वमेंट से कर्मचारियों की किसी चीज में कमी आई. Let's see in the paragraph, and manager support for fun had a favorable impact in reducing turnover. So its answer is turnover. Next question is, they also found that the activities needed to fit with both the company's something and the something of the staff. उन्होंने ये भी पाया कि गतिविधियों का कंपनी की किसी बात के साथ साथ कर्मचारियों की किसी बात के साथ फिट होना आवश्यक था. Let's see in the paragraph, their findings support the view that fun may indeed have a beneficial effect, but the framing of that fun must be carefully aligned with both organizational goals and employees' characteristics. So first answer is goal, and second answer is characteristics. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.